What's that? What's that? Wang Wang. Wang Wang. Wang Wang, there you Wang Wang. Wang Wang. Wang Wang. Nick's too big for you, little dog. He's too big for you. Wang Wang. Say Wang Wang. Wang Wang. I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it. Wang Wang. Wang Wang. Wang Wang. Oh, J-Man, show me how you do your bow and arrow. They don't have somebody who fetches it for you? We're in the Mongolian village now.
Did you do archery? Did you do it any pretty good?
What did I do?
Try again.
Come on, let's see if you can do it. What are you aiming for? What are you aiming for? That piece of Yay! Are you getting good?
Yeah.
Adisa's playing with the Wang Wang. Okay, go ahead.
Standing is better.
Did you have a go? And did you score anything? Oh, really?
Just like our vacation place in Mongolia.